What's up, guys? It's Saturday. Just got done eating. There's a little place on the corner across the street. We live down there. We went to stop and get some bobor kluin. But the only person that sells it around here, she was completely out. It just run out. They make one big pot every day, and then when it's gone, it is gone. That's just the way they roll. Anyway, didn't know what else to do to get something to eat. Didn't really want to walk that far. So I decided to stop in that little restaurant back there. I like the environment. It's really big inside. They have all these family-style dining tables, big, wooden. And there were a lot of families in there eating. Most of them were full of local people. Not another foreigner in sight. Everything written in Khmer, spoken in Khmer, which is all right. But we got a bowl of noodle soup, of course, with all kinds of meat in there, vegetables, and it wasn't the best bowl of noodles I had, but it was very good. It was good. The broth to me was a little weak. That was the thing that really makes a soup, right? The broth. And it just didn't seem to have as much flavor and zest as some of these other places. But still, $1.25, and the portion size was huge. I couldn't. This may be the first time I'll say this, especially for breakfast when I wake up hungry. But I couldn't finish that whole bowl. It was this big, full of noodles and meat and everything else. So great value. You might have to season it yourself a little bit more to get some extra flavor, but they have all the condiments on the table, except pepper. I didn't see any pepper, which I come to realize is the one thing a lot of the soups and things around here need. In my opinion, they seem to be salted really good, but they lack a little bit of pepper, and so most places have a little jar or a shaker filled with pepper, and I usually add a few shakes of that on top. Didn't see any pepper there, but like I said, the broth was a little less tasty than most places, but it was close, and the value was really good. So if you come here, make up your own mind. Very nice, friendly people too, so nothing wrong with that. All right, talk to you guys later. All right, it's the next day. Now I'm at Salu. We have a special guest. It's Bill from the channel CambodiYeah. You never been to Salu Market? We had to get groceries. It seemed like the natural thing to do. I didn't think it would be that busy because it's a Sunday, a little bit later in the morning. But as with many things, I was wrong. Oh, we have a line of bikes. Looks like a big city street. But that's why we come down here. If it was safe, it would not be as much fun. Look at all that nice fruit, herbs, vegetables. The thing about Sangrai is that she'll just go. You say she will just go, and I'm just like, oh no. I want to keep my legs for as long as possible, because you will get clipped. I love any place where they hang meat on hooks. Look at that, we got all kinds of little, we got limes, little limes, peppers, cauliflower, onions, garlic, pineapples, potatoes. And here we got a little beauty shop. So while you're picking out your pick parts, you can go in there and get your hair done. Convenient. Whoa, hello. Hi. And here we have a literal bloodbath. Yeah, some of the kids are like dogs here. They just pop out from underneath and surprise you. Not much. I think he growled a little. I think that one growled a little. Hello. Oh, look at these peppers over here. Let me see if I can get across. I risked my life just to give you this shot. You should appreciate it. Huge peppers. These things are big. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Yep. And of course now I have to get back across. But we have a tuk-tuk. It's going to prove to be difficult. Yeah, so as you can see, these are very narrow. And with all the people, then you factor in the motorbikes, I don't think tuk-tuk should be coming down here. They create a traffic jam. I was talking to my landlord, and he said, look, garlic all ready to go. Ah, nice. Don't have to peel it yourself. And he told me that I could bring, he has a big table downstairs that he said I could exchange for my small table for my classes. He also has a couple chairs down there. He said if I bring them up, I can go ahead and feel free to use them. He also offered me a big space in the back if my classes outgrow where I could have my classes. He said I could do it free of charge, which is really nice. It's outside, but it's covered. But it's right back there by where the chickens are. He has a whole little chicken farm back there, and it makes they make quite a bit of noise, and of course, you know, the smell. I just don't know how conducive it would be to learning. But still, it was very nice of him to offer. He, of course, wants me to succeed because, well, you know, I get paid, he gets paid. Wow. Look at the size of these peppers, yeah. Big peppers. Look at these carrots. Wow.
I definitely need to get some cookware so I can cook some of these up.
Yeah, pick one of those up. Let's see it in your hand. Look how big that is. Wow. That is a big pepper. Woo. And now you have your choice of going that way, or that way, or any number. I think you can go straight too. I think they have more stuff down there. I think.
Apparently a burner is $40. That's what I hear.
40? Oh, I wouldn't pay 40. 40? Size up? No. How much did we pay for ours? I think we only paid $10 for ours, right? Ours, $10? For ours. For the small one that we have.
Okay.
The small one that we have was $10.
Okay, how big is that?
It's a one burner. Yeah.
I don't need much.
And then it's $1 for the gas. You know, the little cans. They use the little can. Oh yeah, definitely. Definitely. Yes, we were talking about these little gas burners they have, stovetop. They don't have actual stoves or ovens here.
Don't step on the landfish.
They don't have actual stoves or ovens here like we do in the West. So we have to buy these little gas ones that you put the little can of gas in.
I don't need to do that on this trip.
Oh, I just splashed all that up in my leg. Lots of fish. Water puppies.
Kittens of the sea, as Peter tried to say.
Homemade stuff you can get, sit down and eat. Little treats.
Mochi, I think, or something like it. Sweet rice.
Yeah. And of course there's much more down there. There is more down there. And I think we're going, oh, no, we are going this way. There we go, close.
IMAX brand. In case you need to wear the 360.
10,000 real for those dresses. 10,000. Big cooking pot. All your cooking needs down here. You can get pots and pans, bowls. Glasses. All kinds of things down here for your kitchen needs. Ah, yes, here we go. That's what I was talking about. One of those cookers right there. There we go.
Siem? That's good to me. $10? Okay. Oh, I don't need that though. Just this.
All right. While they negotiate that, I'll go down here a little bit. Yeah, that's what we have to use to cook on, and that is good. It's all right. It works pretty good. The gas lasts longer than you would think from a little tub. We do a lot of cooking at home, myself and Sang Lai. So, I'm surprised when we only, we go through probably one tank a week, one little can of gas a week. So every 2 weeks we have to stock up on them again, which is $2. But it was better than what we had before because that electric wok was shorting out the entire apartment building whenever we plugged it in. Of course, that's not a good thing. And you have all kind of grinding bowls, cutting boards, different shapes, sizes. Get yourself a little rug if you want. I love looking at all this stuff. I do. This is a great place. There's another aisle. Wow, that goes all the way down there. Oh, I'm sorry. So yeah, as you can see, one thing I really like about the markets here is that you can transition from pig parts in a tub of blood, hanging meats, fruits, vegetables, peppers bigger than your arm, and transition from that right into household goods, clothes, cooking supplies. You know, back in the West we do have these places that are one-stop shop, but these markets here are truly the definition of that, I think. Look at it. You get through here, this little narrow alleyway, very narrow, but down there's a lot more stuff. This place is huge. It keeps on giving, keeps on going. These little mats are nice if you have guests that come over. They fold right up and you can unfold it if you have an impromptu sleepover and don't have an extra bed. These are the little chairs and stools I'm thinking about getting for my classes once I have enough people. I believe the little stools here are $3 each, is what Seng Lai was saying. The chair should be about, I'm guessing $6 or $7 each. Of course, with negotiations, they might not be that much. And there you go, guys. All kinds of different men's shirts. I see some sizes up there that I'm pretty certain would fit me. So they would have your size. And they got many more inside. Some nice shorts. My favorite, which are the cargo shorts. Yep, 34, size 34, size 40. Yeah, so they do have some bigger sizes. All right. We have a lot more to see, but I'll show you that in future videos. I'm going to end this one here. Because we are still negotiating. This is all part of the moving experience. I had to do it when I first got here. You need things, right? You got to have things to cook with. You got to have spatulas. You got to have pans. You got to have things to live. And it can be a little overwhelming at times, but Bill's got a good head on his shoulders. I think he's going to do just fine. He got the cooker for the price he should have paid, so that's a good thing. All right, but I'll talk to you guys in the next one.